Lately, I have been asking myself, what's the point? Why am I doing this?
Honest update from the workshop. And it has been horrible. The tone behind the scenes is really negative. This is definitely not the way I wish to spend my free time. But it's part of the camper van life and owning an old car.
So many new problems, and I haven't even had time to edit the videos.
What? Excuse me? 8 volts point 15. I don't know how this happened. We might actually have a new problem. That will be a problem for another day.
But yes, there is a reason, and I just need to remember it.
Hey, how is it going? I'm a traveler from Finland who wanted to share adventures, technical challenges, and fun of living in a self-made camper van. Welcome aboard!
I thought they were roller bearings. They are not. They are solid. Congrats. Yeah.
Adventures like these are yet to come. Stay tuned for next videos.